Hello crafty friends, this video is super quick. If you blink, you might miss it, so watch closely. I'm going to create a super easy specimen window using this gorgeous washi tape. This washi tape is from the Washi Tape shop, and I will put a link in the description below. I also have a really cool discount if you use the links in my description. For the main part of my specimen window, I have some transparent stickers that I've put onto a laminating sheet and put through the laminator. I used my cutter to cut the laminate down to size. This washi tape is really great because it's wide, and you only need one piece because you're going to stick it down as straight as possible down the one side and then fold it over to the back, and then you have a front and back with one piece of washi tape. Do the same for the top and the other side. The bottom will do it slightly differently. It is a little tricky to get it straight at first. With practice, you'll be able to, but with washi tape, it's a good thing. It unsticks really well, and you can remove it and place it again and again until you have it exactly as you want it. I want the bottom section wider, so I'm using the full width of the washi tape for the bottom part. So I'll put one full piece in the front and one full piece at the back. And then I just use my scissors to trim off the excess laminate and the excess washi tape. I also have a corner rounder, so I'm just rounding off the corners. You could leave the specimen window just like this, but I'm going to add a little embellishment just to enhance it slightly. I've chosen a sentiment that says "Wonderful You" in a rose gold. I think it matches really beautifully, and I'm going to stick that over some white string or thread. It's thread that I use in my sewing machine. I just take a long piece and scrunch it up, and then I stick the sentiment over with some hot glue, and it sort of presses everything down. How was that for speed creation? Super easy to make with washi tape. Links below to the Washi Tape shop for some beautiful washi tape. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload new videos. I will see you again soon. Bye.